Artificial intelligence is the ultimate game changer in the world of money making. From creating content to running online stores, AI tools have simplified and revolutionized how we approach business and creativity. The best part, you don't need to be a tech guru to start using AI to generate income. In this video, we'll explore the best beginner-friendly AI tools tailored for specific tasks. Whether you want to write, design, or manage a business, we've got you covered with practical advice and step-by-step strategies. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Cyber Tech, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI-driven strategies. Now let's jump into today's topic. Writing and content creation. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Writing is one of the most versatile ways to earn money with AI, and ChatGPT by OpenAI is the top choice for beginners. This AI-powered writing assistant helps you create blog posts, articles, ad copy, product descriptions, and more, all with just a simple prompt. Getting started is easy. Sign up for ChatGPT Plus for enhanced performance, explore platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to offer freelance writing services, and use ChatGPT to generate high-quality drafts. For example, if a client asks for a 1,000-word article on fitness trends, you can prompt ChatGPT with something like, "Write an engaging article about the top 5 fitness trends for 2025. Within seconds, you'll have a solid draft ready for editing. Start with small projects like product descriptions or social media captions to build your portfolio. ChatGPT's versatility makes it perfect for anyone stepping into content creation. Video creation, Pictory. If video content is more your style, Pictory is an unbeatable tool for beginners. This AI-driven platform lets you transform written content into engaging videos, complete with visuals, transitions, and voiceovers, all without any editing experience. Simply upload a script or blog post, and Pictory analyzes the text to automatically add relevant visuals and music. Customize the video by tweaking scenes or adding voiceovers. Imagine turning a blog post about eco-friendly living into a stunning 2-minute video for a client's social media campaign. With platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok booming, Pictory helps you tap into the video marketing trend. Market yourself as a social media video creator and use Pictory to deliver fast turnaround, high-quality videos. Its ease of use ensures you don't need prior editing skills to shine. Graphic design, Canva. For those with a creative flair, Canva is a go-to tool for earning money through graphic design. Whether it's social media graphics, business logos, or marketing materials, Canva's drag-and-drop interface and AI features make professional designs achievable for anyone. Start by creating stunning templates for Instagram posts, presentations, or invitations. Use Canva Pro for access to premium templates and assets, and sell your designs on platforms like Etsy. Or offer custom graphic design services on Fiverr. Wedding invitations, for example, are always in demand, and with Canva's pre-designed templates, you can create and sell personalized invitations while earning a steady income. Beginner tip. Start by creating bundles of templates for specific industries like real estate or fitness, and sell them on online marketplaces. E-commerce automation, Shopify. Running an online store has never been easier thanks to Shopify. This all-in-one e-commerce platform simplifies everything from website creation to inventory management. For beginners, Shopify's AI-powered tools make starting a dropshipping business a breeze. Choose a niche product to sell, such as eco-friendly kitchen gadgets, and use Shopify's AI to generate product descriptions and create a professional-looking storefront. Partner with a dropshipping supplier so you don't need to hold inventory. Shopify also offers built-in marketing tools like abandoned cart recovery and email campaigns to boost sales. You can even integrate AdCreative.ai to design high-performing ads that drive traffic to your store. Focus on one product category to start, test marketing strategies, and once you find a winning formula, scale up your business. Online course creation, eSynthesia. The online education market is booming, and creating courses is a fantastic way to generate passive income. With Synthesia, you can produce professional-looking video courses without stepping in front of the camera. Write your course script using ChatGPT or your own expertise. Upload it to Synthesia, and the AI generates an avatar to deliver your content. Customize the avatar, language, and video style to fit your course theme. For example, if you're skilled in digital marketing, use Synthesia to create a series of short, engaging videos that teach beginners how to run ad campaigns. Host your course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable and earn income every time someone enrolls. Start with short courses on niche topics like how to set up Facebook ads before expanding to more comprehensive subjects. Social media management, Buffer. Social media is a goldmine for freelancers, and Buffer makes managing multiple accounts a breeze. This AI-powered tool helps you schedule posts, track engagement, and even suggest content ideas based on trending topics. Offer your services as a social media manager to small businesses. Use Buffer to automate posting and monitor performance, and combine it with Jasper AI to create compelling captions and hashtags. For example, you could help a local coffee shop grow its Instagram following by creating a month's worth of content, scheduling it with Buffer, and tracking the results. Start by managing 1 or 2 accounts, then scale up as you gain experience. Buffer's simplicity makes it ideal for newcomers to social media management. Ethical considerations and challenges. AI tools are powerful, but they aren't perfect. It's important to understand their limitations and ethical considerations. Always review AI-generated content for accuracy and tone, avoid using copyrighted materials without permission, and be transparent with clients about using AI in your workflow. These steps will help you build trust and ensure your work maintains a professional standard. Here's the thrilling part. We are at the forefront of a technological revolution. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity, a game changer that is rewriting the rules of success. Imagine this. A few years ago, creating professional quality videos, running an online store, or building a personal brand required years of expertise and a hefty investment. Today, AI tools empower anyone with a laptop and a bit of curiosity to achieve incredible results. Think about the possibilities: writing a book in a week, producing viral-worthy videos in minutes, or managing a thriving business from the comfort of your home. These tools aren't just convenient, they're transformative. They break down barriers, democratize innovation, and let creativity shine. And the best part? This isn't just for techies or business pros. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, AI levels the playing field. It's like having a team of experts in your corner, ready to write, design, strategize, and even teach on your behalf. So here's the challenge for you. What will you create? What problems will you solve? What impact will you make? The only limit is your imagination. AI is the ultimate tool to unlock your potential and turn your dreams into reality. All you need to do is take that first step. The exciting part? We're living in a golden era of AI. The tools are smarter, the opportunities are vast, and the barriers to entry have never been lower. By starting now, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a revolution transforming industries. A few years ago, creating professional quality videos or running a business required significant investment and expertise. Today, AI tools put these capabilities within everyone's reach. The question isn't, can you make money with AI? It's, how much will you make once you start? So, what's the next step? Pick one of the tools we discussed today, whether it's writing with ChatGPT, designing with Canva, or launching a store with Shopify, and start experimenting. The key is to take action. AI isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity to future-proof your skills and income. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is now. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI-driven strategies. Until next time.